Hi everyone, welcome back. Today I'm excited to review a product that I've personally been using for over 2 years, the Simplehuman Touchless Soap Dispenser. This little device has been a game changer in my home, and I can't wait to share it with you and tell you about why I think that it's worth every penny. Let's start with what you get in the box. You get the Simplehuman Touchless Soap Dispenser itself, a sample of liquid soap, and some documentation. Note that this device uses batteries, and these are not going to be included for you in the box. But from the moment that I unboxed it, I could tell that this was a premium product. The stainless steel finish is really sleek and it feels solid and well built. Setting it up is also really straightforward. You just pop in 4 AA batteries, fill the reservoir with your favorite liquid soap, and you're ready to go. One of the things that I love is how the dispenser holds a lot of soap so that you're not constantly needing to refill it. It's a huge time saver, especially in a busy household. What's really impressive is how it perfectly dispenses the right amount of soap every time. You don't waste any, which is not only economical and environmentally friendly, but it also reduces mess. It's also faster than using a traditional pump because it's touchless. After using this dispenser every day for over 2 years, I can confidently say that it's incredibly reliable. The sensor is still as responsive as the day that I got it, and the batteries last a really long time. I've actually only had to change them a few times in the past 2 years, which has saved me time and hassle. It's the kind of product that just works day in and day out without needing much attention. Design-wise, the Simplehuman Touchless Soap Dispenser looks great anywhere, and you can choose from different looks like this stainless steel model and this sleek white model. Whether it's in the kitchen or in the bathroom, its modern design blends in perfectly. It's compact but holds a lot of soap, so it's both practical and stylish. So the big question is the Simplehuman Touchless Soap Dispenser worth it? In my view, it absolutely is. After 2 years of consistent use, I can say that it's a product that not only lasts, but it also makes some everyday tasks easier and faster. It saves you time, reduces waste, and looks good doing it. So if you're looking to upgrade your home with a touch of modern convenience, I think that this is a great way to go. So thanks for watching, and if you found this review to be helpful, don't forget to hit the like button and subscribe for more reviews and tips. If you're ready to pick up one of these soap dispensers for yourself, check out the link in the description section below. And as always, drop any questions you have in the comments section. I'm here to help. Okay, see you in the next video. Thanks again, and as always, I'm Sean Dillman.